Imagine a world where cleaning is efficient, eco-friendly, and chemical-free. All that is possible. EV International combines Italian craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology to make this a reality. Our premium dry steam cleaning systems are designed for both home and professional use. Our products reflect a commitment to sustainability, using minimal water while delivering high temperatures for exceptional cleaning. Along with the specialized accessories and attachments, this innovation ensures a cleaner, safer environment for everyone. Just say goodbye to harsh chemicals. Our systems eliminate bacteria and allergens, making the environment safe for children and pets. Experience reduced cleaning time and long-term cost savings with our efficient solutions. Imagine spending less time cleaning and more time enjoying life. Our products not only save time, but also ensure a healthier living space for your family. Benefit from our 2 to 5 years of warranty coverage and rapid service response. We provide replacement units during repairs and genuine parts for maintenance, ensuring your satisfaction. Our sales model is transparent and based on first-hand experience. Enjoy live product demonstrations and free on-site tests with expert guidance by our distributors. As mentioned, live product demonstrations and free on-site tests with expert consulting. Clear and straightforward purchasing terms. Learn about our commitment to reducing chemical consumption and promoting sustainability. Together, we can create a cleaner, safer environment. Take the first step towards a cleaner future with EV International. Join us in revolutionizing cleaning and making a positive impact on our world. Let's embrace innovation for a healthier tomorrow.